This is only one Telecaster in the world. I wanted to buy a Telecaster, but that was way too expensive. So I decided to make it by myself. I meddled and printed every part, all 9 parts. It was so interesting and I was so happy about it. Part by part, one by one. I had no idea about grid side, so I made a slide box. So I sandpapered all the parts, then I just used super glue and that was super easy, which kinda cool. Its weight is only 1.3 kg, so light. I ordered neck, but it came without the nut, so I found a guy who can do it very good. Do what? This top side pattern meaning is Arabian thing. Bottom one is eternal life. The body is about cost $25, neck is about $30, and pickup is above $50, and other small parts around $15. So it's mean all $110. Before I finished this guitar, someone offered me $300 to buy it, so I sold it at $300 right after this video. That was so fun. So my next goal is building some Ibanez or Stratocaster maybe. Well, now let's check how it sounds.